Welcome, Clutter Warrior. Today we are going to talk about spring cleaning. And if you just groaned or made some sort of exasperated response to the idea of spring cleaning, I want to poke a hole right in that resistance or negative response. Look, you don't have to become Martha Stewart or a crazy person when it comes to spring cleaning to benefit from what the natural cycle of seasons offers us as we keep our homes tidy and organized. And you don't you also don't need to do all the cleaning yourself. So it's also something that could be delegated, whether that's delegated internally inside your family to kids, partners, people like that, or externally to a housekeeper, or a service. So don't be put off by the idea of spring cleaning because you suddenly think it's more work for you to do and you already don't have enough time to get everything done. You don't have to take it all on at all, and you don't have to take it all on at the same time. To that end, we have made available for you a super duper handy ultimate checklist for spring cleaning. So both for the interior of your home and the exterior of your home, you'll be able to follow along and check off everything that you want to do. You don't have to do everything on the list, but at least it's a comprehensive list and it's available to you. Back to the mindset around spring cleaning, because that I think is even more important in some ways than the actual tasks themselves. What you'll discover if this is your first attempt at it, or if this is your first go around of looking at your mindset when it comes to decluttering, to simplifying, to tidying up, to getting organized, is that how you think about, how you feel about, and how you interact with stuff is going to inform your results much more significantly than the task at hand. And so when it comes to spring cleaning, when you think about this idea, looking at how you look at it, and that isn't oxymoronic or it might be counterintuitive, but it shouldn't be contradictory for you to look at how you are looking at the idea itself. It's an opportunity for you to demystify the process, to recognize that you probably have story about how long something is going to take. And if you break it down and chunk it up, how long does it really take to clean the blades off of a ceiling fan, really? Or to vacuum the back of your refrigerator, or to pick up some dust bunnies under your bed, or to move a dresser or a chest of drawers out of the way and vacuum up some dust bunnies in there, right? Or to pick out all the shoes out of the bottom of a closet and suck up all the dust that's in the bottom of the closet. None of these things by themselves are going to take up a lot of time, but the story that you have of it, all of the things, I'm making air quotes if you can't actually see me, all of the things that are involved in actually getting the shoes out of the bottom of the closet so you can vacuum suddenly becomes the obstacle. It's all mental. If you actually timed yourself doing it, you would discover that it probably takes you 7 minutes, 9 minutes, 12 minutes to remove everything, vacuum the floor, put everything back. It's not as big a deal as you think it is or feel it is, but your thinking and your feeling will create obstacles to you actually doing it. That, for me, is one of the biggest takeaways when we look at spring cleaning as a topic, as an opportunity. And you will extrapolate on this in lots of other ways. You'll start to recognize, as I said, around mindset, that the more you start to blow apart your preconceived notions of how long something's going to take, or how difficult, how many steps are involved in doing something, once you can start to dismantle that, you'll discover that doing it takes relatively little time. It was all of the mental and emotional preparation, let alone the physical preparation to doing something, that kept you hamstrung and not doing it. So, spring cleaning, an opportunity for you to change with the seasons, to literally open the windows and the doors, get some fresh air into your home, take stock of what you have, what you're willing to let go of easily. Again, nothing needs to become fraught or overwhelming. You don't need to completely organize yourself to spring clean. And at the same time, it is an opportunity to take an inventory in your closet. And are you wearing everything? Are there leftover hangers from the dry cleaners that could just be recycled or repurposed? All of these things are little tweaky things that you can do to speed along the process and help to get literally, again, some fresh air into your space so that you can enjoy spring cleaning and the benefits of spring cleaning, which, again, for those of us, myself included, who don't love process, but love getting to the other side of a process, you can just remember, you can hold on to the idea that I might not love all of the tasks involved in spring cleaning, but I definitely love a clean, fresh smelling home. So if it requires me to do a little bit of work to get there, and I can delegate some of the things that I don't want to do to somebody else, it's a win-win situation for you. So take advantage of the checklist, download it, print it up if you want to, or just use it as a PDF, and start to figure out when you're going to do it. Schedule discrete appointments with yourself for the spring cleaning. Don't leave it up to someday or later to magically appear a window in which you'll decide, oh, I have nothing else to do today. Today's the day I'm going to spring clean. You want to actually make the appointment with yourself and then keep the appointment with yourself. And it's no more complicated than that. So often with most things around decluttering your life, simplifying your life, unstuffing your life, the planning is where you want to focus, and then the execution becomes relatively easy. And underpinning it all is your mindset. Get your head in the game, get your head set up for your success, and it will become much, much easier for you to do. And you'll get the benefits of it much quicker. That's what I want to share with you today. Thanks for tuning in.